For using the Trados to Translog to conversion tool, as demonstrated in this clip, you need to have the following platform and software. First, you need to have a TPR-DB account to upload the data to the TPR-DB management tool. Second, you need to download Trados Studio 2019 and Qualitivity 2019. Third, you need to have a Tobii Eye Tracker TX300 and its software Tobii Studio 3.3.2. The procedures that I address in this clip include 6 steps. 1. Download and install Qualitivity to set up in Trados Studio for collecting keylogging data via Qualitivity. 2. Set up in Tobii Studio for collecting gaze data. 3. Conduct post-editing experiment in Trados Studio to collect user activity data. 4. Export Qualitivity output and save keylogging data in the XML format. 5. Export eye tracker output and save gaze data in the TSV format. 6. Upload eye tracking and keylogging data to the TPR-DB. This is a demo for how to add gaze and Qualitivity data to the CRITT TPR-DB in a post-editing experiment. The first step is to download the Qualitivity plugin from Trados App Store and install on our Trados Workbench. Qualitivity is a non-invasive, free-of-charge plugin that collects typing activity from the translator. Make sure that you choose the version of Qualitivity compliant with your Trados version. For example, the version we are demonstrating in this video is Qualitivity 2019. If we open Trados Studio, successful installation will result in a new Qualitivity navigation button, the little clock logo in the bottom left corner of the Trados Studio interface. The second step is to set up in an eye tracking software. For example, in this demo, we use Tobii TX300 eye tracker and Tobii Studio 3.3.2. Create and name a new project on the eye tracking program. In this case, we create a project called P01 and save the project folder under certain directory on our local computer. Once done, click Next. Test name, we call it 01 and hit Create. Check if your eye tracker is connected to the local computer. Under a proper internet environment, the computer will be automatically detected by the eye tracker. It says OK here, so it's good to go now. Make sure your participant is sitting comfortably and in a stable way in a distance of about 60 centimeters from the eye tracker. Click on Screen Recording to start recording the eye movement on screen. And hit Start Recording. Make sure the participant's eyes are in the middle of the black screen and the rectangle on the bottom of the black screen is green, and click Start. If the calibration is successful, all the target points will be crossed by green lines. In this case, click Accept to continue. Once the participant finishes the calibration process, the eye tracker recording will be ready by clicking Start Recording. Now we open Trados Studio 2019. We click the project navigation button and set up a new post-editing project for one participant. In this example, we gave the penalty of 5% and prepared the Chinese machine translation output of the English source text as the translation memory, and the participant will be presented with the empty output segment by segment, appearing on the TM section of the Trados interface in the same way as 90% matches with the TM. Also, we prepared the term base with a set of English source terms and their equivalent Chinese target terms. The participant will be presented with the terminology appearing on the TB section of the Trados interface. Once there is one or several terms in an ST segment that match the terms in the TB that we prepared, the participants can check the TB on the upper right corner of the Trados workbench. Qualitivity will automatically lock the keystrokes during a text production session within the Trados Studio editor. I will put some random keystrokes now. I start testing. Finish testing. After the participant completes the entire post-editing experiment, exit out of the Trados Studio editor by hitting the X button in the upper right corner of the editor. And save the Qualitivity activity by hitting OK in the pop-up dialog box. Export the keylogging data collected by Qualitivity plugin to an XML format. Make sure to tick the box Include keystroke data and select Export to XML format. From the XML file output, we can see post editors each change to the MT with timestamps recording the exact production time and position of each edit in the text. For example, I just put in the segment 1, I start testing. And in segment 3, I finished testing. Each one is with their own timestamps and position. Stop screen recording. Go back to Tobii Studio. We can replay the eye tracking video. And see our eye movements just now. When I was typing the keystrokes. We can also manually select the AOIs, such as ST area and TT area. For instance, in this sample experiment, we can name 2 AOIs. For example, in the left side, we call it ST. And on the left side, we call it TT. Click the tablet of data export and select the dataset for data export. Export the eye tracking data collected by Tobii to an TSV format. Extract at least the columns from the data export of the eye trackers, including AOI activity information, recording event data, timestamp data, gaze tracking data, pupil data, and eye tracking data in Tobii Studio. To investigate translators' gazing behavior during the translation processes, we integrated an add-on to the Trados Translog 2 conversion tool that merges eye tracking data with the Qualitivity keystroke data in a seamless way. To synchronize the eye tracking and key logging data, we need 2 files. The TSV file we got from the eye tracker software, and the XML file we got from Cognitivity plugin. We named the 2 files according to the TPR-DB naming convention. For instance, here is P01, P1, and zip the 2 files together as P01. To upload to the TPR-DB platform, we choose the zip file, P01, call the study name, test 0508, source language, English, target language, Chinese, past name, Trados, and then hit upload and wait for the conversion for a second. Then the key logging and eye tracking data are already integrated and uploaded to the TPR-DB. We can see from here, test 0508 is already on our platform, and they are already tokenized and aligned segmentally. Then we can use different analysis and visualization tools available at TPR-DB by hitting Make Tables, and also expand the features with customized algorithms and open source NLP packages to conduct further analysis. Thank you for your attention.